What turns ordinary plants into Japan's unhackable 10,000 yen note? Behind these fortress walls, the secret begins. Let's go inside. The process starts not with ink or printing presses, but with plants. Japanese banknotes are made from a blend of two very special fibers, Mitsumata, also known as Oriental paperbush, and Abaca, a type of banana native to the Philippines. Mitsumata has been used in Japan for centuries to make traditional paper called washi, prized for its long, strong, silky fibers. Abaca adds even more durability. When these fibers arrive at the plant, they come in sealed bales, looking more like compressed hay than the foundation of a currency. Workers in protective gear bring them to a massive shredding machine called a cutter. This beast chops the fibers into fine pieces, which then tumble into a large cleaning cylinder. Imagine a giant rotating drum lined with screens and monitored by sensors that scan for any foreign debris, dust, short fibers, anything that doesn't belong. Only the purest, longest strands move forward. Next stop is the bleaching room. Here, the cleaned fibers are soaked in a precise chemical bath that transforms their natural beige into a bright, uniform white. A missing watermark, a speck of dirt, an uneven texture. And if you've ever handled a real Japanese banknote, you know that distinctive snap when you flex it. That tactile quality, that crispness, comes directly from this exact blend of fibers and this precise drying process. Once approved, the paper is wound into massive shoulder-high rolls, each one holding thousands of sheets worth of substrate ready for printing. Now, the real artistry begins. Before any ink touches the paper, master engravers create the Intaglio plates. Intaglio is the oldest and most secure form of printing. The design is carved directly into hardened steel. For the new 10,000 yen note, the front plate bears the portrait of Eiichi Shibusawa, the father of Japanese capitalism. Under a raking lamp, the deep grooves of his parted hair, his mustache, his confident gaze cast dramatic shadows. The back plate shows the Marunouchi building of Tokyo Station in extraordinary detail. Every arch, every brick, every column engraved by hand and machine working together. These plates are the heart of the banknote's security. When the actual printing starts, the process is divided into stages. First comes offset printing. Large sheet-fed presses apply the warm brown background color and those incredibly fine swirling patterns called guilloches. At this stage, the paper emerges with its dominant brown hue, but the portrait area is still a flat, empty oval. The Tokyo Station area is colored, but completely flat. This is the base layer, and it already includes ultra-fine lines so small that a regular printer or copier could never reproduce them. Then comes the critical stage, intaglio printing. The offset printed sheets move to a highly secure hall where the front intaglio press waits. The deep grooves of the Shibusawa plate are filled with a thick, viscous, warm brown ink. A doctor blade, a precision piece of metal, wipes the surface clean, leaving ink only inside the engraved lines. The paper is then pressed into those grooves with enormous pressure. When the sheet pulls away, the ink comes with it, forming raised ridges that stand physically above the surface. If you run your fingertip over a genuine 10,000 yen note, you'll feel those ridges. That roughness is the unmistakable signature of intaglio printing. The backside goes through the same process with the Tokyo Station plate, giving the reverse its own raised texture. But Japan didn't stop there. The new Series F notes introduced a world first, a high-resolution 3-dimensional hologram applied directly to paper currency. For the 10,000 yen note, a strip-shaped holographic film is applied to the front. When you tilt the note, the portrait of Shibusawa appears to rotate smoothly. The patterns around him change depending on your viewing angle. This isn't just pretty, it's a security feature so advanced that counterfeiting it is practically impossible. A dedicated machine applies these films at very high speed, and every single note is checked to make sure the 3D effect works perfectly. Next, each note receives its own unique serial number. The new series F notes increase the serial number from 9 digits to 10, making them even harder to forge. A wheel strikes the paper with hundreds of kilograms of force, leaving crisp black characters that are stored in the Bank of Japan's tracking database. And for visually impaired users, there's a thoughtful tactile feature. 11 slanted lines printed in Intaglio on the left side. By touch alone, someone who cannot see can identify that this note is worth 10,000 yen. Before the notes are cut and bundled, a few more security elements are added. Pearl ink, a semi-transparent pink sheen that appears when the note is tilted. Latent images, the number 1 through 0 hidden on the front, the word Nippon hidden on the back, visible only at certain angles. Under ultraviolet light, the governor's seal glows orange and parts of the background turn a yellowish green. Every single one of these features is verified by an automated optical inspection machine that uses high-resolution cameras, UV lamps, infrared sensors, and even laser profilometers to measure the exact height of the raised intaglio. If a single note fails any test, a micro inkjet nozzle sprays a tiny rejection mark, and that note is later removed from the stream. Once the sheets pass inspection, they go to the guillotine cutting hall. A stack of 500 sheets, each sheet containing multiple notes, is clamped under a precision blade. With a single powerful stroke, the blade cuts through every layer, producing individual banknotes for the very first time. The freshly cut notes then fly through a high-speed sorting machine where any rejected notes are automatically diverted. Good notes are counted, banded into bundles of 100, that's 1 million yen per bundle, and then 10 bundles are wrapped together into a brick worth 10 million yen. Those bricks are loaded into sealed metal transfer cases, and a joint seal is applied, signed by both the facility security officer and a representative from the Bank of Japan. And then they leave. Armored trucks carry the cases out of the Tokyo plant, through the streets of the capital, and into the underground vaults of the Bank of Japan headquarters. From there, the notes are distributed to commercial banks, then to ATMs, then into your hand. The next time you hold a 10,000 yen note, take a moment to feel the raised portrait tilted to watch the hologram spin. Hold it up to see the 3 watermark bars. You're not just holding money, you're holding the result of a journey that began as raw plant fibers, passed through the hands of master engravers, advanced printing presses, and meticulous inspectors, and finally arrived in your wallet as a symbol of Japan's commitment to tradition, technology, and trust. That is the story of a single banknote. And now, it's yours.